Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Absolutely no idea what's in this package. Actually, I don't recognize the name on the front of it, but hopefully there's a note inside and we can figure it out together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on one or multiple of these cool stickers, there's of course a link down in the description. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's find out what's in this package. I am, as usual, intrigued. It looks like there definitely is a note in there. Oh, now hang on a second. I recognize that box. I don't know why who am I keeping it a secret for? Because you guys always see the thumbnail. I always forget because I'm recording this before I make the thumbnail, and then I remember you guys always see the thumbnail. So we've got a Hinderer box. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. Is this Tactical Peanuts galore? Is this one of the new? Yeah, I think it is. This is one of the new no Choil slicers, one of the brand new DLT trading no Choil slicers. So this is cool. What we have here is the equivalent. This is funny. So the whole, like, I remember in 2014, 2015, you know, when the ZT-0562 was well, what year did the 0562 come out in? Was it 13 or 14? I can't remember, but I had one of the originals in M390, right? And the ZT-0562 was designed by Rick Hinderer. It was a collaborative effort between Rick Hinderer and Zero Tolerance to bring a form of the XM18 to the table that cost less money. Well, at the time, that was around generation 4 for Hinderer, so there was no lock bar insert. There were no bearings, right? And Hinderer's knives did not have the best flipping action. Zero Tolerance led the way in detent and flipper action, you know, combination. And then on top of that, they had the lock bar insert, they had the bearings, which was considered unanimously, well, not unanimously, but it was considered far superior to any other design at the time in this realm, right? And then it had the taller blade. People considered the 0562 the better knife. Fast forward to today, with Rick Hinderer having the better, the flipping action updated is, I mean, in my opinion, it's superior now. You have the tri-way pivot system on new Hinderers, which is indicated by that symbol right there on the flipper tab, meaning you can flip out the pivot system for nylon washers, phosphor bronze washers, or bearings, right? That's an ideal system because then you can get what you want. It all comes with it. And then it has the lock bar insert and all that, right? So it's the same, but you have the Hinderer quality, which anybody who's wondered if you've ever handled a ZT and a Hinderer, the people who've handled both will say, yeah, the Hinderer is higher quality. But now we have legitimately the exact same setup, because this is the first time that it's not the first run of the no Choil slicers through Hinderer, but it's the first time the tri-way pivot system has ever been on the knife. So this is, I mean, literally the Hinderer version of the ZT exactly, except it's got all the upgrades now. Yeah, I mean, this is wonderful. I really would like to do a side-by-side. I kind of want to revive that age-old discussion, because I've got a buddy here in town who's got the 0562 in G10 and S35 yen. I'd kind of like to do revive the old verses and talk about, you know, the changes and essentially everything that has changed in Hinderer knives versus the ZT, and just compare them, because the ZT-0562 is still available in both the carbon fiber and full titanium variants. So it would be interesting to do that. So this was there a note? Oh yeah. Hang on. I've been yakking on. Here we go. Here's the 3.5 inch XM18 no Choil slicer. It's in the original box with the things that came with it. It's quite new. I've probably only flipped it 100 times or so. Only cut some newspapers once or twice, so the factory edge should still be untouched. I don't mind if you use it, carry it, cut with it, because I plan to put my own scratches on it and my own edge too. Love your channel. Thanks for the content, Doug. Thank you so much, Doug. Let's go ahead and show Doug's Instagram here real quick. There you go. Sharp_marbles. So it's an interesting name. Give Doug a follow on Instagram. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. This is awesome. Always happy to take an opportunity to look at an interesting Hinderer variant, even if it's just one that's been changed slightly. I know you guys are interested in stuff like this. These, I think, by the time you guys see this, I don't know if these exact ones will still be available. I will be linking Hinderer knives and accessories, everything that I can possibly find. So if you guys are interested in seeing what Hinderer has available right now, which is usually a ton, I will link that stuff right down in the description so you can at least go browse. If you guys don't know, I'm a gigantic Hinderer fan. I've made my presence and as a Hinderer knife nut known on YouTube. I've got a Hinderer playlist with well over 60 videos dedicated just to Hinderer knives. So if you're a Hinderer nut like me, you can check those out. But yeah, I'm excited to talk about this. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.